It is finally December and the Christmas baking season starts. I hope you preheated your ovens because today we're going to be making German classic cinnamon stars. To make them, you're going to need 4 egg whites, 300 grams of icing sugar, 450 grams of ground almonds, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, the zest of 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 pinch of salt, and some flour. Let's get started. Add your egg whites and a pinch of salt to a bowl. We're going to beat them to stiff peaks. This is non-negotiable. Start on low speed, then gradually increase to high. One little tip on the way, your bowl must be spotless. Any grease or residue will prevent your egg whites from whipping properly. You'll know it's ready when the whisk leaves a clear trail in the meringue and no liquid remains at the bottom of the bowl. Look at that, stiff peaks, perfect. Now reduce the speed to low and add the powdered sugar. Start mixing on low, we don't want a sugar storm here. Next, add a splash of lemon juice. This brightens the flavor and helps stabilize the meringue. Now, let's beat this for another 5 to 7 minutes until it's thick, glossy, and holds its shape just like marshmallow fluff. Patience is key here, don't rush it. Now, before we move on, scoop out 5 heaping tablespoons of this meringue and set it aside. We'll use this later to top our cookies. Add the rest of your dry ingredients, cinnamon and almonds. Mix just until everything is evenly combined. Now, line a flat baking tray with parchment paper. This keeps your dough from sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Plop that dough right in the center and let's get rolling. Roll the dough out thick, about half a centimeter. If it sticks, don't panic. Grab that flour and dust generously on top. No such thing as too much here. Flour is your secret weapon for a smooth, even rolling. Remember that meringue we set aside earlier? Time to put it to work. Spread it evenly over the dough with a spatula. This isn't just for looks, it gives you cinnamon stars, that snowy, glossy finish that makes them so irresistible. Smooth it out like you're frosting a cake and get ready for an important step. Freeze the dough for at least 4 hours. Overnight is even better. This is the secret to clean, perfect cuts. No stickiness, no tears, just crisp, beautiful stars. While the dough chills, preheat your oven to 165 degrees Celsius, 330 degrees Fahrenheit or lower, and line another baking sheet with parchment paper. We're almost there. Now, the fun part. Dip your star-shaped cookie cutter in water before each cut. This keeps the dough from sticking. Press firmly, lift carefully, and place each star on your baking sheet. If the meringue smudges, no problem, just smooth it out with a spoon, no one will know. Into the oven they go. Bake for 5 to 7 minutes, just until the dough bakes. These cookies burn fast, so keep an eye on them. You want them pale and pretty, not crispy critters. Look at those beauties. Once you take them out, let them cool completely on the parchment paper before moving them. This keeps them from breaking. And there you have it, delicious cinnamon stars.